Okay, so you're probably wondering, how do we avoid getting these harmful microorganisms inside us? So basically what you can do is you can hand wash, you can wash your hands properly. And when I say properly, that's first of all with soap. So you need to use plenty of soap on your hands, rub it in properly. And hot water, because heat kills microorganisms. Which is why you boil the milk first when you're making yogurt, in case you didn't know. Another thing you can do is when you sneeze or cough, you can cover your mouth. What this does is it prevents the germs spreading. What you can also do is you can keep away from other people. So that's why you have time off school, is to keep away from others, to prevent you passing on your illness to other people, or what's ever making you ill, like a virus or whatever's the problem. I mean, you could get food poisoning, which is where the food is bad and you have harmful bacteria that you consume from your food, or you could have a virus that causes a common cold. So you might have a cold, which is a snuffly nose or like that, so you might need to stay at home. And this is important because it means you're keeping away from other people, so preventing people, so prevents spread of illness. Okay, so it prevents the spread of whatever you've got if you're ill. And the last thing you need to know about is yeast. So yeast, you need to know, helps bread to rise. And how it does this is it's added to the dough and it releases a gas that you don't need to know what it's called yet, but it releases a gas and this inflates the bread, so it basically makes the bread light and bouncy and light and fluffy. So that's why you have your dough that's really sort of stodgy and really thick, and then you have your bread that is very light and fluffy in texture. Okay? And thanks for listening, and that's all you need to know about microorganisms. Hope you've enjoyed it and hope it's been helpful. One last thing actually I've just thought of. Remember to cook food at correct temperature. Now the reason why I'm saying that is because you've learned that I've just told you that heat kills bacteria and microorganisms that are harmful. So, and when you read a recipe it will say what temperature to cook it at, so if you don't cook the food at the right temperature, this can also lead to the bacteria staying in your food.